pregnancy symptoms week by week. First month of pregnancy symptoms. 1. Breast softness. The breasts may become tense, but they also become extra responsive or even painful to touch. While the veins on the skin exterior become more visible, the nipples become darker in color and the little glands around them look larger. 2. Excessive salivation. Having more saliva is very common in first month. However, this pregnancy sign is more obvious for those women who are dealing with a more severe morning sickness. 3. Morning sickness. The most famous and advertised pregnancy symptom present all over the movies and soap operas. When a pregnancy is in order, the morning sickness is not exclusively experienced in the morning. The nausea may appear anytime during the day or even the night. Also, only 50% of the women experience it severely enough to be noticed during the first month pregnancy. This pregnancy symptom is caused by a specific area of the central nervous system where the command area for nausea and vomiting is situated. This area is stimulated by the hCG pregnancy hormone, causing the infamous morning sickness. A related symptom is the relaxation of the digestive tract, which causes digestion to slow down. 4. Period delay. The delay in the period schedule is the most important pregnancy symptom. If you have a regular period, you missed it by more than 5 days, and you are aware of the fact that you had unprotected intercourse during your fertile window, you may consider it a pregnancy symptom. It is also possible that you will experience a mild spotting that many women consider as menstruation, characteristic to the embryo, as implantation in the uterus wall, which happens exactly around the time you are expecting your period. 5. Mood swings. Behavioral changes and inexplicable transitions from joyous dispositions to hysterical crying and depression are very common when 1 month pregnant. You can be extremely affectionate 1 second and very snappy the next, especially around people you are normally fond of. 6. Cravings and sensitivity to odors. The classic scene from movies and books when recently pregnant women raid the pickle jars on a sudden urge to combine the pickles with ice cream is just a proof of how popular this 1 month pregnancy symptom really is. There is no surprise to see that this particular symptom is associated with strange repulsion for certain odors or sudden distaste for otherwise preferred food. 7. Frequent urinating. The bladder becomes extremely irritated during the first month of pregnancy due to the congestion of the pelvic area caused by high levels of progesterone and hCG. At the same time, the kidneys are more efficient during pregnancy because they are processing an increasing number of fluids and residue resulted from the metabolism of the two bodies, maternal and fetal. And number 8. Fatigue. There is no surprise you don't have the energy anymore to perform the same activities you used to handle easily before the first month. Also, falling asleep in the middle of a favorite show early in the evening is perfectly normal. Your body is spending huge amounts of energy to sustain both the development of the embryo and the changes going on inside your body. Not to mention that the levels of progesterone, which are raised while 1 month pregnant, are acting as a sleeping pill. These 1 month pregnant symptoms are aggravated by the eating habits, the lack of sleep and the stress. The anxiety is very common symptom all 1 month pregnant women experience during this time.